How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Hbar update. And if you've been keeping tune with these videos, there have been bullish patterns on other altcoins as well, but they've been failing. And ever since Hbar lost 25 and 27 cent, I've been personally bearish and calling for the Wick fill. Look how it's developed, guys. Everything that I've been saying has come true. And I've actually noticed that the views are going down because they don't want the brutal truth. It was expected to go lower. Now that we're actually filling in the Wick, while above the 200 EMA, we can get these bounces, but we already had the bullish pattern and broke out and retested it. You can see the two paths that should have been taken. That's actually the path it needs to take in order to flip this area 33 to 36 back into support. That would invalidate the head and shoulders pattern you see here. At the moment, we're just going ahead and meeting the target, and that can all end if we can find support on the 200 EMA. The risk that I've constantly been saying, as you saw with the other drawing, is that it just pumps into this location and rolls over once again. That is the risk, guys, because we're now forming these bearish crosses, and I'm not only just seeing it on Hbar, I'm seeing it about to happen on Bitcoin. Bitcoin must bounce from here. I've made a Bitcoin update where it needs to bounce and reclaim there. That's about to form a bearish cross. If I zoom in for you so you can see it, you can see it's actually formed the bearish cross. The only way you go ahead and invalidate that, this is Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin must bounce from here, reclaim 95.8, and this key area, I'll even mention the level above, 97.8, 97.9. That's what needs to happen. Okay, unless that happens, then Hbar is just going to move up, get out of this relief rally, but it's not going to reclaim these key levels. That's the risk at the moment. I don't want that to happen, but we've got these bearish crosses. That's about to form a bearish cross. The only way you create this EMA repel where they don't cross, and they do that instead of crossing, is if we climb back above Hbar, back above 22 cent, and then 25 cent. Remember, 25 cent's not good enough. It needs 27 cent as well, so it can clear all moving averages. Right now, yeah, I don't know about you guys, but even if I see a bounce, I'm not really getting excited because we've just formed that bearish cross. The hope is that's more of a bottom signal, so a lagged signal. That's the hope, but I'm just going to stick to what I'm seeing in front of me. And right now, bearish cross, multiple, almost about to form this, but a potential EMA repel. The only way that happens is a reclaim of these moving averages. And so that's what's needed to be seen from Hbar. We need to see the market get a market-wide relief bounce. And again, that was meant to happen over the past 2 weeks with this pattern, because this pattern was on nearly every coin, including Bitcoin. And Bitcoin just chose to break out, retest it, fail, retest, fail, roll over. It's now come into a macro support. This is where it needs to bounce and reclaim that level it kept on struggling at, 97.9, let's just call it. Until then, the market relief rallies are just going to keep doing the same thing, fail and roll over. Don't want that to be the case. The only time I feel different is if we reclaim 25 and 27 cent. Still not in the clear at that point. Realistically, we could even pump as high as 33, 36 from here. That would be a huge rally, guys. If we pump from here 66, 80%, you're going to feel FOMO. And it could still reject and go lower from there. So I will be here step by step as the things develop. If anything changes, I'll be the first to let you know. But right now, we're looking for a bounce from the 200 EMA that reclaims 25.27. The issue is the natural path it's on with the bearish cross is that should be resistance. That's where it should lower high. That's where it should roll over and continue lower. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to actually find out about my personal moves, more exclusive content, and live streams where I teach you how to do this, use the links down below to get into the Discord community.